I think this spaghetti might your kids actually beg for. Let's find out. Hi everyone, I'm MJ and welcome back to our kitchen. Today we're gonna cook the kids-friendly or kids-approved spaghetti. So let's go. Let's start by chopping our onion and garlic. So we're gonna use clove of garlic and just a small white onion. Yan. So sometimes yung kids kasi natin, they like the flavor of what we're cooking. So, kailangan lagi naglalagay din tayo ng counting flavor. Sometimes naman may mga kids medyo ayaw nila, especially pagka visible siya sa niluluto natin. So there's a tendency they will not taste the food. Kaya dapat we're gonna slice it very thinly or manipis lang. Nadi-dissolve naman siya once we cook it. I mean, mix na siya sa sauce natin. There's small chances na lang na makita ng kids. Ayan, so very tiny. Ganito dapat kanipis yung pag-chop natin ng onion and also the garlic para hindi siya masyado nakalutang sa sauce natin. Then, sometimes we might add some chopped carrots or celery. I think that's the very basic sa mga spaghetti sauce, lalo na sa spaghetti meat sauce. Pero right now, hindi na tayo maglalagay nun kasi yung celery, they might affect dun sa taste na gusto natin for the kids. So yung gusto natin, nandun yung sweetness pero nandun pa rin yung authentic taste ng spaghetti. Para pagka kumain sila sa restaurant, they might be shocked na iba yung taste ng spaghetti sa restaurant. So yan. We finally chop the garlic until finely chopped. So yun. Ito lang yung kailangan natin to make the sauce and also some season of salt and pepper. Kasi gagamit tayo ng pre-made spaghetti sauce. So what we have right now is the Del Monte sweet style. So ang tendency pag sweet style, hinahaluan ko siya ng a little bit 500 grams ng Italian spaghetti sauce. So magkakaroon siya ng balanced taste. And also, we have the cheddar cheese or a little bit mozzarella. Yung kids kasi mahilig ng mozzarella cheese sa mga pasta. So, it will add also. So, yun lang, yung ingredients natin. And also, the pasta and the ground beef. So, mamaya, papakita natin how you're gonna cook it. So, let's go. Let's cook it. Let's start by boiling our water. Ayan na. Kukulo na rin yung water natin para i-boil yung pasta. Lalagay lang natin yung pasta natin. We're using spaghetti pasta from Del Monte. Let's start by browning our ground beef. Ayan na siya. Direct sa pan. Ang importante wala siyang konting water kasi magkakaroon naman yan siya ng natural oil. Magkakaroon siya ng konting oil pero hindi siya masyadong mag-oily. If ever naman mag-oily, babawasan natin bago natin add yung other ingredients. Let it brown muna. Then later na rin natin siya isi-season. So bakit natin later isi-season? Kasi gusto natin maluto muna yung mismong beef, yung lutong-luto. Kasi lalasaan mo yan pagka nag-add ka na ng sauce, kinain mo na yung spaghetti. Iba yung taste. This is not a secret, but my style of cooking the spaghetti sauce. Medyo frozen pa yung gitna. Pero, konti na lang. Pero mas okay kung lulutuin natin siya na completely defrost or room temperature. Iwan mo na. For me, I add this bay leaf, few bay leaf, para lang magkaroon, ma-remove yung amoy ng karne. Kasi sometimes yung mga kids natin, ayaw nila ng ganong amoy. As I expected, medyo nagtubig siya. Kasi galing na siya sa frozen. After 5 minutes na makook natin siya, i-drain naman natin yung back. Then, add tayo ng pinch of salt para lang hindi masyadong bland. Ganito na siya. Almost siguro mga 5 minutes. Record na natin. Okay. So we're grating the cheese, no? So yung pinaka-important sa spaghetti, yung cheese. Kids love cheese. Kaya medyo dadamihan natin yung cheese natin. Sometimes we can half of it, I mix it directly sa sauce natin. Pero right now, hindi natin siya i-direct. Ita-toppings natin, iga-garnish natin siya on top of the spaghetti. Then, imimix natin siya with mozzarella cheese. Actually, this mozzarella cheese is more on the texture rather than the taste. Yung may taste talaga is yung cheddar. We're using olive oil for our ng onion and garlic. So we start with the garlic. Then, after the quick brown ng garlic natin, next is our white onion. And syempre, to add more flavor, nagdadagdag tayo ng beef broth. I-add na natin yung beef, no? As I said kanina, yung beef natin, bin-round na natin siya. Since na frozen kasi, expected. There's a lot of watery dun sa ground beef. Kaya hinihiwalay ko yung pag-brown. And also, it gives more flavor doon sa beef when you mix it on the tomato sauce. So, kasi sometimes pagka hindi ganun naluluto yung ground beef, hindi kumakatas ng mabuti or sometimes na overpower tomato sauce or the spaghetti sauce. So right now, so yan, we can start adding our pepper. Okay. Then salt. Yeah. Yeah, you can add, ito optional na to, no? Sometimes I just add this oyster sauce to make good balance of the flavor, no? Lalo na sa salty and sweetness sauce natin. But you know, just optional, not necessarily. Pero ito, magugustuhan talaga ng mga kids nyo when you cook like this. Then, we add na the sauce. Pwedeng kalahati muna. You mix it well muna para yung meat natin, it will mix well dun sa hindi tayo mahirapan maghalo. A little bit tips. Hindi muna natin siya ilalagay lahat yung sauce natin. Okay? Enough lang para ma-mix muna natin well yung beef. So yan, ganyan. Actually ito, mas sa restaurant, mas ganito yung texture, no? Pero since na we're cooking it for kids, we will add a lot of sauce. Yan. Then, add na natin yung remaining sauce natin. Then our Italian style. Ito medyo sour to. Pero based sa experience ko, most of the time, tama yung 50%, like 500 gram of Italian sauce for the 1 kilogram of sweet style. A good blend. Anyway, we can taste naman para tansya natin ano yung mas preferred natin. You can always add sugar in between. Pero for me, it's enough. Lulutuin lang natin a little bit more yung sauce para karoon ng more flavor. So, ayan na siya. Ayan na. Pulang-pula na siya. Pulang-pula. So, kailangan natin ng medyo red. I think we will add a little bit all-purpose cream para magkaroon siya ng creaminess. I taste it. It's very nice. So, as I've said, I think 1 tablespoon of all-purpose cream. No? Para lang magkaroon siya ng creamy taste yung sauce natin. Huwag natin masyadong sobahan kasi pagka too much creamy, minsan yung kids, madali silang masawa. Kasi pag maraming cheese, maraming cream. So, dapat tama lang. Put some cheese. Kids love a lot of cheese. That's why we put a lot of cheese. Siyempre, this is the kung makuhanan lang ng montage to, maganda. It's time to test our spaghetti. No? These are spaghetti. So this is our kids spaghetti. The kids approved spaghetti, so we taste it.